Hi lovelies, welcome to another weekly vlog. Here you can see the clips of last year we went to Gloria Jean's for coffee. It was decorated well with lights because New Year was just around the corner, and I went with my cousins to have my favorite coffee. I also took some clips inside the coffee shop. And that's how its interior looked like, but maybe a few hours before there was some birthday function, so it was quite decorated. And here is the picture of our coffee. These are my individual photos which I took in Gloria jeans. I am wearing maroon turtleneck sweater along with my mother fit jeans. With this I have paired a brown belt. You have already noticed my printed black mask. So here one day before I am showing you unboxing of my masks. I have ordered these masks from Zine, and they are selling printed masks, two printed masks in just 200 rupees. So you can buy a similar pair of two masks in 200 rupees. So I have ordered this black printed mask which look quite nice. It has a floral print, and you can see a pink flowers and green pattern of leaves. The other color I have choose is this mustard mask. You can see a tiny and small print over here which also look quite elegant and nice. So if you are interested in buying printed masks, you can check their website. So later on I went to nearby market. It was quite near, so we went by walking, and here you can see we ordered some Subway sandwiches. On 26th December there was quite a foggy day, so we went to walk in fog. It was quite enjoyable walk. And we also took some photos there. Then our last spot is JB's. We have some dessert from there. Hope you have enjoyed this vlog, and if you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye.